if you are looking to start a successful YouTube channel, there are some few equipment that you need in order to get started. And the first one I will begin with is the lavalier microphone. So this is how the lavalier microphone looks like. It helps you get good and clear quality sounds whenever you are recording your videos. The second equipment I will be introducing to you is the tripod. So what a tripod does is that whenever you are recording with your phone, it helps you to hold the phone steadily so that when you are recording, the phone does not shake. Okay, so you can get this tripod as well in order to help you record your videos. And then you need a good camera quality. So personally, I use an iPhone 12 to record my videos. And if you have any other phone, you can use any phone with a good camera quality to record your videos. And whenever you are recording your videos, make sure that you look inside the camera. Okay, when you are recording your videos, make sure look for where the camera is on your phone and look inside that camera whenever you are recording. It helps you to connect with your audience as well. The next equipment I will be talking about is light. Get this light as well. So if you don't want to use that particular light, you can also use natural light. So you can position your setup closer to your window so that when you are recording, at least you have some reflection of light coming in your videos. This is the setup I use to record my videos most of the time. You don't need fancy equipment to start recording your videos. So just get started. I'll see you again in my next videos. Go to check out my other videos.